whether you're going to work along with my image or not, I want you to download this file so you can just set up all JPEGs to open up in Photoshop rather than preview. So you can right-click on this link and say Save Link As, or you can just click on the link. It opens up in a new window, and right-click on it and say Save Image As. And yes, you can copy the image and go into Photoshop. You can drag this image right onto Photoshop, but I want you to save the image and go ahead and drop it into your Documents folder. Click Save, and then go out to your Documents folder, right? And find that image. And don't open it. Don't double-click it because it'll open up in Preview. Hit Command-I. Or I think you can right-click and say Get Info. Command-I is the shortcut for Get Info. Open that up, and you may have, I don't know, these may be toggled shut, but open with, yours is going to be set to Preview by default. Change this to Adobe Photoshop. Okay? Change it. And then after you change that, it's going to say Change All. There's going to be a button here. Click Change All. And from now on, every time you double click on a JPEG, it's going to open up in Photoshop. And I want you to do the same thing for GIFs and pings. So it's up to you to find a GIF and a ping and click on them and hit Command-I and say Open Up in Adobe Photoshop. Scotchko, why don't you just give us those files? You're sitting at a computer. You have access to the entire internet. You probably have a ping on your just go ahead and do it. I want all three of those to open up in Photoshop. No questions asked. I don't ever want to see Preview opening. Maybe for a PDF. We'll talk more about those later. We're not there yet.